This person got paid over $50,000. This person right here paid out $90,000. And this person right here has made over $87,000. All of these payments have been made by people who have already made more than what we just showed you just by using our method for today alone. We're going to be showing you today's method, and that's going to be the reason why you're going to start earning this much money. Don't worry though, we won't require you to pay anything or invest anything at all, because I'd understand you'd probably ask the same question when you're promised to earn this much, but we swear to you, this has nothing to do with you cashing out any money at all. You won't need to be a professional at absolutely anything at all, which is great since anyone can do this, and no matter where you are, you can still join in on today's method and earn just like the way that we promised you. Now, this isn't a long-term income stream, unfortunately, but it can definitely fill you in for very hard times or when you need the money most. This is the perfect quick fix for you, so make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now, go on amazon.com/kindle-ebooks, and then you should find yourself right here. Now, you're on the Kindle ebooks section, obviously, and this is the website that's going to pay us our money. As all of you probably already know, Amazon is one of the biggest online shopping websites in the whole world today. On SimilarWeb, it is ranked as number 12 in the whole wide world, and its total visits go up to 2.45 billion people. Basically, Amazon is huge, and you must be living under a rock to not know this or anything about Amazon or Amazon itself at all. Now, Amazon Kindle is basically where people sell ebooks, and daily there are people on here who pay to buy ebooks as well. Now, our process for today is very easy, and that's why today's video will also be kept short and sweet, as it should be always. You upload an ebook and then you get paid. That's really all there is to it. And the missing question is, where do we get free ebooks? And we will get to that later. Just hang in there. Now, look at some of the ebooks on here and how much they're being sold. So this would basically be your earning potential. $1, $2, $14, and so on. Now, the great thing about this is that you can upload as many ebooks as you possibly want to earn the most amount of money possible, obviously. Basically, a lot of people are earning a lot of money just by doing this method alone, and today you're going to be one of them. I'm sorry, you're just going to be one of those people earning $10,000. Obviously, you'll need an ebook to get you started, and that is exactly what we're revealing to you today. So make sure that you pay very close attention and not miss a single detail, because that could surely not help you be successful and earn in the way that we promised you. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. First, let's go through the process of signing up on Amazon, and to do so, we want you to open up a new tab and then type in kdp.amazon.com, and this is what you should see next. As you can see, self-published ebooks and paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. You can get to market fast. Publishing takes less than 5 minutes and your book appears on Kindle stores worldwide within 24 to 48 hours. You can make more money. You can earn up to 70% royalty on sales to customers in the US, Canada, UK, Germany, India, France, Italy, Spain, Japan, Brazil, Mexico, Australia, and more. Enroll in KDP Select and earn more money through Kindle Unlimited and the Kindle Owners Lending Library. You can also keep control of your rights and set your own list prices. You can make changes to your books at any time, so publish in digital and print. You can publish Kindle ebooks and paperbacks for completely free on KDP. Self-publish with KDP for free. Now click on the sign up button on the right side of your screen and then enter whatever it is they're asking of you. Your name, email, password twice, and then hit on create KDP account. Then you're going to be asked to complete a simple puzzle just like a CAPTCHA to prove that you're human, and just like that you have an account. But you need to verify your email address first, so look for an email just like this and get the code, and then you're going to input your mobile number too and verify that as well, and boom, after everything you finally have a KDP account so you can start making money. That was literally so quick and easy and literally took no amount of energy at all. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Now we're going to get to the part where we get our own ebooks. So let's go on to buyqualityplr.com, and that should take you here. Now this is the platform where you're going to get your ebooks and sell it on Amazon. So you can get more than ebooks on here, since it basically sells all type of digital materials like articles or videos or games and so on. They sell ebooks here for only $10, and then you can sell it on Amazon and earn like crazy. Now you might be so sad to hear that you can't get these ebooks for free, but get this. There are websites out there that hand out free ebooks, but then they're overused. Like, I would gladly hand it out to you, but if you use those free ebooks, then you might not get any sales and all of your hard work would be practically useless. So most probably you're not going to be earning from them at all, and that's why we specifically went with this website, because with the ebooks from here, your chances of getting back that $10 that you spent, and then you can also earn $1,000 more, those chances are high, and you don't even need to do anything at all. So at least give it a try. But this website does offer free ebooks, okay? And to get them, you just hover on free PLR, then choose free PLR ebooks, and then it'll show you all of the free ebooks, and there you have it. Download those, publish that on Amazon, earn up to $100,000 without doing anything at all, no work literally. And maybe if you make enough money using those free PLR ebooks that are overused, you can finally purchase the paid PLR ebooks, and in that way you can make even more sales by selling on Amazon. And that is basically it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.